YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions. Victory, meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sony far and Baumits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and work on all market conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is February 13, 2023, Monday. Bank Nifty closed 0.67% down, 41,282, and Nifty closed at 17,770.90, 0.48 down. Before we discuss what happened and how it happened, all those things, first and foremost, I would like to thank my new viewers who have joined over the weekend, and in fact some of them have given very good comments. I sincerely thank them from the bottom of my heart, and also we assure you that we will do our best to provide information that is useful and the technical analysis that is really useful for you to take an informed decision. That's one thing. So today, Bank Nifty and Nifty, what happened? Before that, last to last week, it formed a solid green candle, and last week it formed a Doji. You can call it as a Doji or a hanging man. It is not a hammer, definitely. Normally, we say that yes, when a new trend begins and when a Doji is formed, normally it is a continuation candle. So what happened today, the new week beginning, it opened the gap up, which is a positive sign. However, it went down. So hence, like what we can infer from this here is that there are two probabilities that it can form. Either it can form another Doji or it can go down also. But had it opened a gap down, we would have said sure it will go down. But because it opened a gap up, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, there is still a possibility of forming another Doji. Okay, we will explain why all those things happened. Today what happened? Bank Nifty and Nifty, beautifully it went up after opening gap up, and it went near the 8-week exponential moving average. For Bank Nifty it was around 41,671, and for Nifty it was 17,880.880. So today's high of Nifty was 880.80, while Bank Nifty was 678 point something. Of course, that was yesterday. Today it didn't go there. It slightly went around that level and came down. So what it signifies, the 8-week and above is 10-week and above is the 50 DMA, daily moving average is there. All these are strong resistance acting for Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is why you are seeing sideways candle that is being formed. People say this happened, that happened, nothing happened. Market does not move on fundamentals, it moves only on the basis of perception. Perception is nothing but the mood of the market, which is nothing but demand and supply that is accurately captured by technical analysis. So after the 8-week exponential moving average, it went near it, the price started pushing down, and then it came all the way near the previous, it broke the previous week's low. In fact, Nifty formed something. Today's high was higher than yesterday's high, and today's low is lower than yesterday's low. So it's a very peculiar scenario. Normally, you will not find such candles very often. Okay, so that kind of candle it formed. Also, when we analyze the individual components, HDFC Bank, it formed a hanging man. It's a clear hanging man in the weekly chart, Friday ending week. After which it opened a gap down. Obviously, what is a candle? It is going to be a red candle or another hanging man or another Doji. That is what it can form. So hence HDFC Bank is not going to support Nifty and Bank Nifty for this week. ICICI Bank is also going down, but fortunately it was able to hold today at least the previous week's low. The only bank that is showing some strength is Kotak Bank, which is now above the 20 exponential moving average, above the 8 and 5 exponential moving average. Of course, HDFC Bank is also above that, but because of the type of candle it formed, it is showing weakness. Whereas Kotak is something which can show some strength in this week. On the other hand, SBI today it formed a solid red candle. Fortunately, 200-day moving average came there to support it, which it took support, and today we had some up move towards the end of it. It is not a reversal, it is not a bounce back. It is just profit booking by people who have gone short, which is why it has gone up. So now Axis is also looking weak, IndusInd is also looking weak. So with this structure in the banking components, we will not see a significant up move in bank. However, when we analyze the downfall for Bank Nifty, so what is happening, particularly for Nifty and Bank Nifty, the lower end, the upper end for Nifty is, which I have explained many times, today in this month, the low has already taken down, the low is below the previous month's low. Hence, it will find it extremely difficult to cross the previous month's high, which is 201 if I am right, 201.90 if I am right, January high. So which I have explained in my video 10-15 days back itself, 10 days back, in the first week of February itself I explained. So hence, the up move is limited. The down move where it can go, Nifty when we analyze, probably the financial year 2024, anyway at the end of it we will tell about it. So with this kind of texture and structure, the only component that is supported is HDFC. HDFC Bank did not support. Bajaj Finance, it fell because it went up significantly. If you recollect, I told last week itself, it will be cautious with Bajaj Finance at these levels. So Bajaj Finance didn't support. Chola is looking down. In fact, in this week we can expect it to go down further. These are all technical levels. Okay. So with these structures, and Reliance is also weak. The only thing which is strong is relatively is Bharati. And of course, IT stocks are looking weak, obviously, because Nasdaq fell significantly, and also Infi and HCL Tech formed a hanging man last week. So obviously, it has to go down. So now the only thing is there, it is in the monthly chart, HCL and Infi, it is slightly above the Bollinger middle band. Since that will act as a support, at least for the end of this month. With all these things, let's analyze the individual components. Bank Nifty. So we had SBI, Bandhan Bank down 3%, AU, Yes Bank down 1%, IDFC, Federal Bank, Axis 1% down. Normally we don't mention about this bank, but today we are mentioning because there was an extraordinary movement. City Union Bank, which fell 16%. That was due to some results and other market reactions. Nothing pertaining to any other issues. But yes, definitely if the performance market is punishing for non-performance, because our stocks are overvalued. Hence, the stocks that doesn't perform obviously will go down. On the financials, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv 1% down, along with Chola and Muthoot. L&T Finance, LIC Housing Finance, M&M Finance, Manappuram, Shriram Finance all fell 2%. M&M Finance, again it is now forming a rounding top, and hence now the up move is restricted. One has to be cautious in M&M Finance at these levels. On the insurance and cards, ICICI General fell 1% along with HDFC Life and SBI Cards. LIC fell 2%. Others, ICICI Pru and SBI Life remained flat. Bharti and Reliance remained flat, but Reliance is looking sideways with downward bias. Bharti is last week it formed a solid red candle, and now in this week we will have a green candle, but the movement is not going to be sudden and swift. It is gradually going to go up in this week, but how much it can support Nifty, we know the weightage of Bharti. Hence, no one has to be very cautious, but Bharti is something which can go up in this week. On the IT, Wipro, Techam, Emphasis, L&T, Intellect all down 1%. TCS, LTIM, Infi, Birlasoft and Apple down 2%. Coforge down 3%. So IT stocks, which I told, that's the reason why IT stocks fell. And IT stocks, one has to be cautious, particularly with the tomorrow CPI number coming in US. If the numbers are not as per market expectation, there will be a severe hammering. And of course, forget about that, the market will go down next week, which I told in my US market. Hence, you will have our IT companies will mimic what is happening in Nasdaq. Hence, no one has to be cautious at these levels in the IT stocks. On the consumer goods, Pidilite, Page Industries, Colpal, Britannia, PVR down 1%, Berger, Bata, ABFRL, Trent down 2%. ITC 1% up, Titan 2% up. So Titan is one thing that supported today Nifty. Otherwise, no, Nifty hardly found anybody who was standing up today to support Nifty. On the automobiles, Hero Motors, Motherson, Tata Motors fell 1%. Ashok Leyland, Bajaj, Bharat Forge, Eicher Motor, Escorts all up by 1%. On the metals, Vedanta, Hindalco 1% down, Coal India, Jindal 1% up, National Union 3% down. So here again, metals, if you recollect, I have been telling since December onwards, metals is something which will start falling from the end of January and February. That is what precisely that happened. So particularly Jindal and other things is showing reversals, but in the short term it will go up or down, but overall the up move is restricted at least for some more time. Hence be cautious with metal stocks. Health and pharma, Divi's, Cipla, Apollo, Lalpath 1% down, Sun Pharma and Metropolis 2% down. Apollo, it was near the Bollinger upper band. It formed a falling three methods, a type of reversal candle, and formed a solid red candle. But yes, that is the first reversal. Hence, no one has to be observing that. But wait for, if there is further fall coming in, you can wait for and get a good entry to enter into it. Otherwise, it's better to stay away from that for time being. And in the others category, Aries, Havels, DLF, IRCTC, MCX, Polycap, all down 1%. Nykaa, Zomato 3% down. IndiaMart, Godrej 5% down. Adani Ports, Adani Enterprise 7% down. L&T 2% up. APL, Apollo and UPL 1% up. If you recollect, Polycap, I have been telling in the month of February it will go up, we said. In the month of January it will go up, we said. It went up. Now after significant up move it formed. Yes, one can expect some pullback. That is what is happening. Today it broke below the exponential moving averages, hence one has to be cautious. As far as Adani Group is concerned, I told that for if you are a small investor, please stay away. Okay, let things settle down, then always you will have a tomorrow in Adani stocks, or for that matter any stock. If you are a trader, God only can help you if you are blindly trading. Otherwise, it is wise to stay away from these stocks where you have lot of one day positive information and one day negative information. It is better. With all these things, what do we expect for BankNifty and Nifty closure for this option expiry on Thursday? So we feel that 4356.81, that is Fibonacci 161.8, that will act as a very strong support for BankNifty. Why? Because below this level we have further support, like 10 month exponential moving average is there. Then 8 month exponential moving average is at 40,300, and 8 month is at 10 month is at 39,900 odd level. So these are all is going to act as a very strong support. And on the upward side, resistance 42,986.40. What is that level? This is nothing magic numbers. Whatever numbers I give is in the public domain. This is 2022 calendar year close. So hence it will find it difficult to go above that level. Why? Because Nifty, we feel that the resistance support is going to be for Nifty, we give a level of Fibonacci 161.8, the retracement 17,496.89, that will act as a support. If for some reason that is broken down, then there are two support levels, key support levels that are there. What are the levels? Again, it is in the public domain. Financial year 21-22 close, which is at 17,464.80, that will act as a strong support. If that is broken down, then 17,354.10, that is calendar year 2021 close. Also February low, the month low it formed. Hence that will act as a support. And also the 200 demo for Nifty is at 17,317. Hence it has solid support at this level. So hence that is one thing which investor can look for. And on the upward side, resistance is going to be at 18,105.30. Why? What is this level? It is nothing but again 2022 close. Why? Because I said Nifty will find it difficult to close above 18,201.90, which is the high of January. Hence Nifty will, because of it, Nifty will find it difficult to go up, because of which BankNifty is an important component. It will also find it difficult to go up. With all these things, this is the range that we are giving for this option week expiry. Please discuss with your investment advisor using these technical points and other inputs, and safe trading, safe investing. Thank you very much.